Project controls is a process that encompasses the resources, procedures, and tools for the planning, monitoring, and controlling of all phases of the capital project lifecycle. But, do you ever wonder what does a project controller does on the projects? What are the specific activities performed by a project controller on a project? If these questions are echoing in your mind, then you have come to the right video. Hi, my name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn about the activities performed by a project controller on a project. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project controls are processes for gathering and analyzing project data to keep costs and schedules on track. The functions of project controls include initiating, planning, monitoring and controlling, communicating, and closing out project costs and schedules. Ultimately, project controls are iterative processes for measuring project status, forecasting likely outcomes based on those measurements, and then improving project performance if those projected outcomes are unacceptable. So, what are the activities that come under the umbrella of project controls? Project control is applied to many aspects of project management. However, the main areas are planning, scheduling, risk management, cost management, scope, and change management, earned value management, performance management, stakeholder management, and reporting. It also includes estimating and forecasting. Project controlling process group monitor and control project work, perform integrated change control, validate scope to ensure the deliverable is acceptable, and obtain formal acceptance. Generally speaking, it controls scope, schedule, and costs. Project control makes sure the project delivers what is defined, as per the scope, and meets acceptance criteria. Also, project control ensures that the project deliverables are properly tested and validated, and control communication. Project control manages risks, acts on current risks, identifies new risks, and abandons outdated risks. It continuously tracks the project progress and develops project forecasts. Project control keeps a tab on procurement activities and stakeholder engagement. A project controller oversees construction and engineering projects to make sure the team makes progress and meets goals. Responsibilities include collaborating with project managers, crew leaders, superintendents, and engineering professionals working on the project. A typical job of a project controller will include the following activities at the minimum. First, one is controlling change and recommending preventative action. Second is the monitoring adherence of the project timeline with the decided schedule plan. The third one is monitoring project costs and cost to complete. Fourth is to manage end-to-end accounting controlling for customer projects. The fifth one is to be responsible to set up and maintain projects in ERP system. The sixth one is to support PM/PMO to understand the accounting impacts in the project actuals and forecast. Seventh is the project budgeting, cost forecast, and project performance review. 8.1 is aligning projects with portfolio/organization goals and objectives. Ninth is developing a work breakdown structure, WBS. The 10th is developing a risk management plan. These are not all, but top important activities, which every project controller should perform on a project. While a project may deal with many parameters, such as quality, scope, etc., the discipline of project controls focuses on the cost and schedule factors, continuously monitoring for any risk to them. And now you know what are the key project control activities. If you'd like to know more about project control, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.